Hi, I'm Rob. Welcome to Step by Step. Today, I'm going to show you how to send a postcard step by step.
Postbox, postcard, pen, write, post the postcard.
First of all, you need to find a post box, a red London post box.
Postbox, postbox.
Second of all, you need to find a postcard.
Postcard, postcard.
A postcard. Then you need a pen.
Pen, pen.
A pen. Once you have these, write the address on your postcard.
Write the address. Write the address.
Then write your message.
Write the message. Write the message.
And then finally, you post the postcard in the postbox.
Post the postcard. Post the postcard.
So to sum up all of this, first find a post box, then find a postcard, then get a pen, write the address and the message on the postcard, and then pop the postcard into the post box.
Postbox, postcard, postbox, postcard. Pen, write, post the postcard. Pen, write, post the postcard.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.